did not purchase anything in the store today. We did order some items online. So let's get into these items. The first one is probably my favorite one. This Letterman jacket right here. Crazy dope. I haven't even had a chance to see the back yet, so let you guys see the back. It says True Religion, brand jeans, world tour, all that good stuff. I am a sucker for a good Letterman jacket, y'all. And True Religion is coming with it. It's almost like every one of them, they make a dope Letterman. It says world tour right here on the sleeve. In the front, of course, just the True Religion mark right here. And I'll put this on toward the end of the video just to give y'all a little look at it. I like the patch right here too. Y'all like familiar with the True Religion patch. That's dope as well. Yeah, I can't wait to rock this joint. So yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think about this. And this jacket is right now on sale. I think I ended up getting this jacket for $140 on sale right now. So, and I think they did like a 25% off. So hopefully they still doing the 25% so you can get it for $140 as well. But go check that out. So let's get into the next item. Now to the second item, let me show you guys. You guys know that I love denim jackets, jean jackets especially. This is the second one right here. What caught me to this, honestly, y'all, this whole concept was the black and red. It stood out like crazy, especially with this denim jacket. I feel like in the wintertime, especially coming up the fall, winter, you can never have enough of these right here. Something to throw on, really for anything, honestly. All denim jean jackets are fly to me, especially this one. My favorite part about this jacket right here is the back, where it has the branding on there. I don't know why, I just like, with a jacket, a shirt, or whatever, I just like for it to have something on the back. That's just me though. And of course the two U's on the front, the two U's, horseshoes, I mean. The two horseshoes on the front make this stand out as well. So, let me show you guys the bottoms that we got to go with this joint. So the third item, last but not least, just to top this off, the matching jeans right here. Now, True Religion, they do their jeans by name. I think they go Ricky. You know, matter of fact, they don't even let me try to name the other names because I don't know. But these right here, excuse me, y'all. These right here are the Ricky jeans. And as you can see, with the horseshoes on the back, they will match up perfectly with the denim jean jacket. To throw that on. These are straight leg, by the way. Dope. But yeah, man, True Religion definitely claim with it this fall, going into the winter or whatever. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna try both of these denim jackets. I'm gonna try the varsity jacket on first, and I'm gonna try the denim jacket on later. You guys let me know what y'all think about it. All right, y'all, this is the denim jacket right here. Like I was telling you about these patches. You probably see them better on me. Followed by the world tour patch right here with the horseshoe. The TR for the True Religion. Turn around so you guys can see this. The back of it. I think the back of the jacket is my favorite part, so guys check that out. And like I said, they are doing a 20% extra 20 on top of the price of this jacket as well. So if you can, go ahead, scoop this jacket up now while they're still there. All right, you guys, and this is the denim jacket right here. Now I've tried them both on. I don't know, man, this denim jacket is hard. As you can see, followed by the jeans, you can see right the horseshoes on the back of them. Told you guys my favorite part about this jacket is the back of it. Love the branding. I'm a sucker for labels, so yeah, man. Once again, y'all make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what y'all think of this outfit right here. I think I got both of them. Both fits maybe under $150. And that's not bad for a Letterman and a whole jean fit, so. Dope, man, crazy. And yes, you all, for my True Religion fans, I did have a few of y'all want me to, excuse me, go to True Religion again. I will shop there a little more. it's just the stores that we have here are not really big stores. We did have a bigger store some years back in the mall, but I think unfortunately ended up closing down. But you know, as of now, I stick with the factory stores. You know, they do have some heating up from time to time. And TrueReligion.com definitely has a lot. I have been following the channel, watching my videos for a while, probably wondering what shoes I'm gonna probably rock with this fit. I think I'm gonna go with my Air Jordan 1, the patent bread joints. Probably one of my favorite Air Jordan 1s just because of the bread colorway. Black and red, you can't go wrong with that. Especially with this or the Denim jacket. So I'll probably be rocking these with this, you know, 9 out of 10. But yeah, those are the sneakers that I will be rocking with this fit. Like this video, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff right there. Until the next video, I want to say thank you to each and every one of y'all for tuning in, checking your boy out. Thank y'all. I'm out.